YouTube has actually brought a new update. So if you are seeing this update on your YouTube studio, you don't need to get panic about it. Okay, this update has actually caused a lot of person channel to be deleted by YouTube. Some of their videos, some of their playlists are missing or has been deleted based on this particular update on YouTube. I think one of my video was taken down based on this same update, and the video was actually doing well. Okay, I have the views, the subscribers, and then the video was taken down, and I wasn't really happy about it. Okay, so in this video I'm going to share with you the latest YouTube update, and if you have come across this type of update on your YouTube studio, be it on the app or on the Chrome browser, you don't need to get panic about it, guys. Okay, so if you are seeing my face for the very first time, guys, please do well to like this video, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and turn on the notification bell so that whenever I post a new video, you'll be among the first person to get notified. You can also do well to check my other videos, and you know that I bring in something that adds value. Okay, so without wasting much time, I'm going to walk you through the other side of my screen, which I'm going to tell you about this YouTube update and the thing you need to do if you come across this kind of information on your YouTube studio. Okay, so for the purpose of this tutorial, I'm going to make use of the app. I'm going to make use of Chrome browser to show you about this particular update. Okay, so let's just head over straight there. Okay, let's just type studio or .youtube.com. So as you can see, it has taken us to our YouTube studio, and this is where you are actually going to see the update that YouTube actually brought. Okay, you can see something like YouTube known issues. When I saw this message this morning, early in the morning today, guys, I got panic. I was like, YouTube deleted one of my videos, and now they want to delete my YouTube channel because I know that I've not spammed anyone. Okay, you know, YouTube is a community, is a platform. YouTube is a platform that actually want to keep people for a long period of time, so they need to make sure you adhere to their rules and regulation, and you keep on to the community guidelines. Okay, so when you come here, you see channels removed for spam and deceptive practices. Okay, updated this today is October 4th. Okay, so they have updated it. Then after that, we're happy to report that all channels incorrectly removed for spam and deceptive practices have been fully reinstated. This includes access to all subscriptions, YouTube TV, YouTube Premium, YouTube Music. We are working on reinstating the last few videos. Thanks for bearing with us. We know this was a frustrating experience, Really appreciate your patience while we sort this out. If you are still experiencing any issue, please don't hesitate to reach to us. Okay, if you can actually understand what I read earlier in this video, they say that all the channel that has been incorrectly taken down because of spam or deceptive, that are doing what they are going to like bring it back. And if your channel or anything was deleted or your playlist has been missing, that you should not be panicked, that you should have patience, that they are working to make sure that everything is okay. They are working to make sure that they have reinstated everything. That is what this update is actually talking about. So if you have seen this kind of message on your YouTube studio or your channel was deleted, you don't just need to be panicked about that. As far as you don't spam the community or you don't spam anybody, you don't need to be panicked. Everything is going to be reinstated, okay, as YouTube has said, and they actually appreciate you all for your patience. Okay, so this is the one that was updated yesterday. Our teams are continuing to work on reinstating all removed channels and access to paid subscriptions, YouTube TV, YouTube Premium, YouTube Music. We are sorry for this error on our part, and we will follow up here when it is done. If your channel was incorrectly removed and reinstated, you might notice some content such as playlists might be missing. Don't worry, this is just a delay and all your content will soon be restored. Thanks again for your patience in the meantime. Okay, you can note that if your channel was removed, okay, you notice that your playlist will be missing, you'll not be seeing your playlist again. So you don't need to panic, because they are working to make sure that everything has been successfully reinstated. Okay, so if you go down, you are going to see related content, or you are going to see what people has actually replied, for you to know that you are not actually alone. This one say, can you please reinstate videos that were incorrectly deleted as well? Because one of my videos was actually deleted. I don't even know what happened. Okay, you can say I have this problem too. My channel was reinstated quickly, but some videos are still removed for no apparent reason. When should we expect everything to be restored? Yes, please, because my recent shot was removed for copyright, but there was nothing wrong with it. I'm scared to file a appeal, and I'm scared to file a appeal because I don't want my channel to be accidentally terminated. My problem solved, sir. Okay, what video spam? Thanks you. So some people have actually receive a solution or get a solution to their problem. So why some people are still complaining in the comment section, you can see all of this stuff like that. My account is restored, but I have my YouTube videos deleted. Will this be restored as well? They have actually said that they are going to restore the videos that was actually deleted if they have taken down your account and they have reinstated it. Okay, so you can see all of those stuff like that and all of those stuff like that. So guys, that is the little update that YouTube had actually made, and why you don't need to panic whenever you come across this type of message. Okay, I just said let me share this with you guys, because I myself, I was actually scared when I saw this. I was like, what is going on? But you don't need to be panicking, guys. Okay, so that is the end for this particular video. Please don't forget to like, leave your comment in the comment section, and most importantly, subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on the notification bell for more amazing tutorial and tips. Like any challenges you are still facing regarding to this, you can also drop that in the comment section, and I'm going to make a video on that in order to keep you updated. Bye guys.